Today we are going to talk about the most luxurious train travels in the world. Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great week. So throughout the pandemic, Instagram has become my staple. Every time I go through my Instagram feed, I see people posting their holiday pics. This pandemic has put a wrench in our holiday plans. We all miss traveling. So it got me thinking. Whenever we think of a long distance travel, we always think of flights or a road trip. And whenever we think of a luxury travel, we think of a cruise. We never consider train travel. So I'm making a two-part series on train travel, and today we are going to look at some of the most luxurious train journeys across each continent. So the first continent which we are taking is Asia, and we are going to talk about the Golden Eagle train in Russia. Probably it is the best way to explore Siberia. It plies from Moscow in the heart of Russia to Vladivostok, which is on the eastern border of Russia. This is one of the routes, and there are many more routes in countries like Mongolia, China, Kazakhstan, and Uzbekistan. It crosses Ural Mountains, grasslands, thousands of lakes and rivers on its way. It was launched in 2007 and has imperial gold and silver class accommodations. Passengers are provided with king size beds, a sitting area, a lounge area, and a dressing table. The guests enjoy a superb service and excellent choices of food and beverages. The second continent which we are going to talk about is Africa, and we are going to talk about Rovos Rail in South Africa. If you want to revisit the opulence and elegance of the bygone era, and at the same time enjoy the views and relax, this is the train for you. It was launched in 1989 and since then has become very popular for luxury travelers. It has many routes including ones between Cape Town, Pretoria, Dar es Salaam and Victoria Falls. Each of the coaches, right from kitchen to sleeper to guard vans, have their individual story and have been painstakingly refurbished and restored. It has stellar dining and onboard services, but the specialty is the open air observation car where passengers can go and take in the majestic views of wild Africa. The prices of this train range between 13,600 and 27,200 rands, which is somewhere between 60,000 and 1,20,000 rupees. Now we are going to talk about the Rocky Mountaineer train in Canada, which is in North America. This train service has received world's leading travel experience by train award by World Travel Awards 7 times. It has routes between Vancouver, Jasper, Lake Louise and very recently Seattle. It operates from April to October and provides some of the most amazing views of Canadian Rocky Mountains. It has four type of services, which is gold leaf, silver leaf, red leaf and whistler. All of them have different amenities including hot food, beverages and excellent service. This train has a heritage observation car which gives amazing views of the route. The fares vary in different months, number of days of journey, and routes, but range between 2,000 Canadian dollars to 12,000 Canadian dollars. Now let's all travel to South America, the Belmont Andean Explorer in Peru. This is South America's first luxury train and it started its services in 2017. It travels in Peruvian Andes Mountains between Cusco, the ancient capital of Inca Empire, Lake Titicaca, and Arequipa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It runs on one of the world's highest rail routes and thus passengers are provided with bottled oxygen if needed. Suites contain comfortable beds complete with hand-woven linen, a private wardrobe, bathroom with shower and sitting area. The train also has a spa, lounge cars, dining cars, and a viewing deck. Prices on this ultra luxury train start from $462 per person per night. Now let us all go to the kangaroo country Australia and we are going to talk about the Ghan. The Ghan train is nothing short of an engineering marvel. It travels 3,000 kilometers through the heart of Australia from Adelaide to Darwin. It has three classes platinum, gold, and red. It has a restaurant car for upscale dining, on call cabin steward service, and oversized windows for panoramic views. Rooms are comfortable with beds, recliner style lounge chairs, sitting area, and a mini bar. The fare ranges between 700 and 2000 Australian dollars. And now let us all travel to Europe, the place of origin of all trains. This video cannot be complete without the mention of this luxury legendary train, the Venice Simplon Orient Express. This train got famous after it got featured in Agatha Christie's The Murder on Orient Express. The train runs throughout the Europe right from Paris to Istanbul. The restaurant on the train is of a Michelin star standard and serves refined French cuisine. The quality of decor is unmatched, complete with glass panels and Art Deco marquetry. Cabins have generous space with upper and lower beds. The train even has a small shop on board for souvenirs. The journey covers the entire Europe and costs between $1,000 to $1,400 per person per day. So people, if you're watching my video till now, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. I agree that all of these journeys which I have mentioned are super expensive, but this is also an experience of a lifetime. Imagine getting up in the lap of luxury with panoramic views at exotic locations. Doesn't that sound nice? We Indians usually do not prefer traveling by train when we go abroad, and there are mainly two reasons behind it. The first reason is the poor condition of trains in India, and that is why we are biased against train travel, although now it's improving. And the second reason is train travel abroad is extremely expensive. Many of you would be wondering that I have not mentioned any train from India where there are so many luxury trains. I will be making a separate video on luxury trains in India, and that will come this Sunday. So till then, bye bye and take care.